Hey, what's going on, guys? Spencer here, and today I've got this Sony DVD VCR combo to show you. It will allow you to record VHS to DVD, and the model number of it is RDR-VX525. And the other thing that's really cool about this device is it's got an HDMI output, which most DVD VCRs don't have this, and by having this, it will be compatible with your smart TV. But let's go ahead and talk about it, and I'll show you how to record VHS to DVD. So on the rear panel of it, you've got a set-top box control for connecting it to a cable box, and then over here you've got HDMI output. That's gonna be the highest quality picture available for DVD, and it would also output VHS through that same one. Most likely, that is the one you're gonna wanna go with. And then down here you've got optical and coaxial digital audio output, analog audio output, component video output, which is just below the HDMI output, S-video, which is just above composite, which would be the lowest. And then right here you've got an input. That would be if you want to be recording from another source. And then right here you've got an output if you want to just do the standard playback. That would be the lowest quality option. On the front panel of it, you've got an eject button right here for the DVD tray, eject for the VHS. Then you've got your dubbing buttons. You can do 2 DVD or 2 video. Then you've got a power button. And you've also got a door right here that you can open, which gives you access to an S-video input and a composite input, and also a DV input if you want to connect a camera. And then you've got one-touch dubbing channel. And then you've got this nice big display. You can switch between DVD and video with these 2 buttons. You've got play, pause, stop, rewind, fast forward, and record. All you need to do to connect it is plug in the HDMI cable to the output on the back. So now that we've got it all connected, we can go ahead and insert a VHS and or a DVD. So I'm just gonna demo the playback with a standard DVD real quick, and then also a VHS. And this is the original remote control for it. Got a bunch of different controls on it. With the display option, you can display both DVD and video. And then you've got your system options where you can go in here. That's where you would go for the dubbing. And then you can easily switch between DVD and video with the remote too, of course. So as you can see, the DVD is loaded and it's playing right now. So let's go ahead and load a recordable disc. When picking out your recordable disc for this device, it's compatible with just about every recordable disc. You can use plus or minus R or RW discs. It won't take RAM discs, but we've got a plus R disc here, which you'll probably want to get an R, not an RW. The R discs will record once and RWs will record multiple times. So just put it in there and then it should automatically initialize it, and then it will be ready for recording. The recorder automatically formatted the disc for us, so now all we've got to do is be on the VHS side, and then we'll go system, and then dubbing, and then we'll choose simple dubbing, and then we'll do video to DVD. And then, do you want to copy? Yes, we do. So now we'll start recording. It's going to rewind 6 seconds at the start, and then it's going to begin recording from there.
Can you help us? Your request is not unlike your lower intestine.
And once you finish recording, you can push the stop button and it will save what you've recorded to the disc and it will stop recording. And then once it's done saving it, you want to finalize the disc. If you don't finalize it, it's not going to play in other devices. So what we're going to do is switch to the DVD side first, and then we'll push system menu on the remote. And then we'll go down to disc setting and then disc finalize. And then You'll just let it finalize. You want to make sure that you're done recording before you finalize it, because it will not let you record anymore. Now that we're all done recording, we can go ahead and play back the DVD if we want to.
Can you help us? Your request is not unlike your lower intestine. Stinky and loaded with danger. We can pay you handsomely. I am knowledgeable.
So this is the final product. This is what was recorded onto the DVD. So that's just one way of using this device. You can use it a few other ways. Just use it for basic playback of your VHS tapes, or you can record cable TV with it if you just connect your cable box with the line input on the back. But if you're looking to order one of these, make sure you get it from us at forthelow.net. You can call to order, or you can get it on our online store. And if this video helped you out, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.